This week is already big in the crypto industry, and most people didn't even connect the dots. Bitcoin dumped nearly to 80K. And at the same time, Doge, yes, actual Dogecoin, just got its own spot ETF on Wall Street. Crazy, right? Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Michael guys. I'm Michael. Hope you all remember the name by now. Yes, it's not just crypto. Today's video is to break this whole situation down in very simple terms. How these two events are linked, and why the market looks so confusing right now. Let's start with the Bitcoin dump. BTC didn't just wake up and decide, okay, let me scare everyone today and drop to around 80K. There was a reason. 80K was a major liquidity zone. If you saw my reel on Instagram from 15th August, you already know the key liquidity levels were between 77K to 80K. And guys, if you haven't checked that reel, go follow me on Instagram. I break these things down regularly. Coming back to the point, because that zone was so important, a lot of traders placed their stop loss there. A lot of leverage was sitting there, and the market loves hunting weak positions. Retail thinks I'm safe at 80K. Market thinks thank you for the liquidity. So this drop was basically a liquidity reset and leverage cleanup, not the end of the bull run. On top of that, Bitcoin ETFs saw billions in outflows. Big institutions took profits, macro environment was shaky, retail sentiment was fearful. All of this combined pushed BTC into that 80K zone. And while all that chaos was happening, Dogecoin, the first meme coin, quietly walked into Wall Street like a professional. Grayscale launched a Doge ETF. Bitwise is launching theirs too. You can see it here. This means anyone with a normal stock account can now buy Doge without touching a crypto exchange. Doge literally went from a meme to a regulated financial product. If someone told you this years ago, nobody would have believed it. This is the part most people missed. Bitcoin dumps, institutions pull money out of BTC ETFs, and suddenly Doge gets a massive legitimacy push. This is classic market rotation. Money doesn't disappear, it moves. So instead of saying high beta plays, let me simplify it. Money leaves Bitcoin, looks for faster moving coins, and jumps into strong narratives. That's it. Simple and understandable. Doge getting an ETF at the same time is not a coincidence. So while everyone was staring at the BTC dump candle, smart money was already positioning for the next big narrative. And if the market feels confusing for you guys right now, honestly, it should. Here's what's happening. Bitcoin is cleaning out over leveraged traders. ETFs are seeing outflows, so big money is cautious. Doge suddenly becomes a Wall Street asset. Some altcoins are pumping hard, others are dropping badly. Global markets are unstable, and retail investors don't know what to do. When all of this happens at the same time, the market naturally feels messy and unpredictable. This is exactly what transition phases look like right before a new trend starts. So, what can happen next? Let me simplify it for you guys. Possibility 1: market takes a breather and slowly recovers. 80K might have been a temporary bottom. If Bitcoin holds this level for a few days or weeks, we can see the market calming down. BTC moves sideways, slowly starts climbing again like it's up around 90K now. Traders who shorted heavily might get trapped. A short squeeze can happen, meaning BTC pushes up faster than expected. This is very natural after a massive liquidity flush. Possibility 2: more turbulence before the next big move. If ETF outflows continue, meaning big players keep selling, then the market may stay choppy for some time. In that case, money usually rotates into strong narrative coins. Doge, ETF hype, Sol, fast mover in rotation phases, XRP pumps on narrative cycles, so the market won't fully crash. It just becomes messy and unpredictable until a fresh trend becomes clear. The important takeaway: this dump wasn't random, and the Doge ETF wasn't random news. Together, these events show that the market is shifting and repositioning. So, guys, this week has been wild. BTC dumps to nearly 80K, Doja gets its own ETF, and everyone is trying to understand the chaos. I hope this video helped you see the bigger picture in a simple, clear way. If you all enjoyed the breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe and follow, and tell me in the comments, do you think this was the bottom or are we going even lower? Stay safe, stay smart. This is crypto. You can get rich or wrecked. Also, don't forget to check SweetX and Farm. I'm Michael, and I'll see you in the next one.